Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And today we're back with the Honda CB77 Superhawk that looks way different than it did the last time you guys saw it because we've been busy. But don't worry, because we're going to show you everything we did to get it to where it is right now. So sit back and relax and watch this CB77 transform. Okay guys, we're going to see if we can get this dent out right here. You see where it is right here? We're going to get it out using a little PDR. That is considerably better. So it's just a lot of, excuse me, it's just a lot of back and forth. You get it going, then you try to get it going some more. We're pretty close. A little bit right there. Okay, we're good. Okay, this is the front fender. It's got just this ding in it. The rest of it's in pretty good shape. So we're going to try to beat this this dent out. GoPro, stop recording. I think I'm going to back it up now. I'll put a dolly behind it so that I can get that a little bit better. But before we do, let's pop this guy off. It's way better than it was. If you look at it, it's just a little shallow. And it's not as bad as what it was. So we may put just a little bit of a body filler right there. It's not too bad. I mean, when you look at it, you can still see it a little right there. So we may put a little in there. Just a little, but it's considerably better than it was. just using a brass brush here. I like the brass brush, me personally, better than the steel wool because it's a little softer. Okay, we've been busy. We got the wheel cleaned, front wheel cleaned and polished, all of the front bits painted. Okay, I got all those bits painted. We got the front fender dent removed and painted. We're about to rebuild that whole front end. We'll have that done tonight, so the front end of the bike will be done. So obviously you guys can see what color it's going. Okay, so here we also painted the tank. This is the first coat on the tank. We repaired the dent. It was right there. Did a little body filler on it to make it good, to make it better, right? It's presentable. And then now we'll let this paint dry, let it go for a couple of days, and then we'll sand it and then put another coat of paint on just to get it really nice and flat. But with these when the chrome side covers on it, that's gonna look awesome. Let me see if I can bring this shock tower, this plastic shock cover, back with a little plastic X from the headlight restore kit. Should work. It's just plastic. I got the purple off by just pressure washing it, so let me see. Yeah, that'll work. It's not too bad. I'll do it some more. Let's get these scratches out, and if I have to, I can wet sand those too. And there's like a ceramic coating that goes on top of this. That'll clean it up. And this is probably the preferred method for applying this stuff. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy in his garage that's willing to give it a go. So I'm sure that's exactly what it said on the instructions. Squirt some in your hand and then put it on. Yeah, that'll pass. And I'll put that ceramic coating on it, which will make it shinier. Much better. Awesome. So you can even put the bit that's not so good down here to the back. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, so we're running out of parts over here that need to go on the bike. This is where we are so far. We've got the one fork leg on. We've got to put the other one on, and then we'll be finishing up for today. You can see that we've done a good bit of eradicating purple. We'll do some more tomorrow. We did our first coat of the frame. We have to do it again, another coat, just to really clean it up, and then we'll drop tomorrow will be rear wheel this fender day to really get those front fenders, doing pretty good. This is our fender, our front fender. It's looking pretty good. Our headlight bucket, we need another coat of paint on it, and our tank, which is looking really good. So let me get you set up so we can put this fork leg on. So guys, this Superhawk is really starting to come together. It's got the front fender now is the correct color. We have to put another coat of paint on the headlight bucket to be able to get that guy in there. Look at all the work that we did on this tank. You saw it. It's looking so much better. We have to wet sand this and then put another coat of paint on. We still have to collect the side covers, the chrome side covers. This other side cover that goes right here, And we're stripping the other one off. Remember, it had that gold paint, so we're stripping it right now. It's still in kind of rough shape. Or the next video you see will have this fender, the correct color. We'll take that fender off. That way we can touch up the frame around it underneath where it goes. We will paint this. We'll remove the purple from that, and that is the last bit of purple on here. After that, we're solid, and we'll paint that. And once we do that, shoot, we're well on our way. It's starting to look good. And then we'll turn our attention to the exhausts. Got a buddy that has some Superhawk parts that he already said that he'd donate to the cause. So I may be putting stock Superhawk part exhaust on here. And then, because I would like to save these, you know, Yoda made those. I'd like to save them because if they go with the bike, somebody else is just gonna chunk them because they're gonna want something shiny. So I think I'd rather keep those. And for me, that's what I'm thinking. I haven't quite decided yet, but that's where I'm leaning. But this guy is coming together quickly. And I just mocked it up. That's why this cable's not run the right way, because I cut all the zip ties so I could paint the frame. So, but we'll get that. We'll clean everything up, put everything back the way it goes. So the only pieces, the pieces that we're missing that we do not have, chrome side covers, meaning we don't have in our possession here. I believe they're at Yoda's in a container. So chrome side covers in the badge and knee pads, the chain guard that goes right here, and then it's cleaning up the exhaust. If we can clean up that exhaust, which I think that exhaust is going to come clean, hopefully come clean enough to be able to do what we want to do. But that's awesome. It's coming together. So guys, there you have it. Yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. This little guy is making great progress. So do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Miles Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, Pete's Classic Cycle, Lady Moto Bang, and then make sure you go ahead and go ahead and check out Two Wheels and Deals for your motorcycle parts or motorcycles. Free to sell, free to list, just go ahead and do it.